Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth, Millionaire Mom in Builderall Back Office 6.0, where we have a wrapper menu, which means the university and tools are at the top, and what you've been working on is at the side. I want to show you today the SEO report, which is in the Business Centre. So I've clicked on SEO report, and then I've actually put the word traffic and traffic magics in, pressed the new report, and it's received an A grade. But if you did it for a different phrase, it might receive a D or an F grade. You save the PDF to your computer, you send it to your clients, and then you offer them to do them a new website in the new Builderall website builder. Then you can kill two birds with one stone. You get paid for doing the SEO reports and you get paid for a new website. Get Builderall below.